Hi, I'm Colin, and this is my scratch build entry for the Great Guitar Build-Off for 2022. We have made it to episode 14. The finish line is within touching distance. This episode, the next episode, not quite sure, but so close. This time, I'm going to be starting to apply the oil finish to the guitar. Let's see how we get on. So as you can see, I've already masked off the fretboard in preparation, and it's just time to apply the first coat of penetrating finishing oil. So while I'm between coats in the oil finish, I'm going to start to have a look at the electronics. And this is another area that I don't particularly excel at, so I like to keep things fairly straightforward and simple. So I have my wiring diagram, and I have my two pickups, my pickup selector, my volume and my tone pots, and the output jack. The only difference is that I'm adding this mini toggle switch, and I'm going to be wiring it as a kill switch. As I understand it, I can't just interrupt the signal to the output jack, because obviously that would just give you the same kind of effect as if you accidentally pulled the jack out of your guitar while amplified, and nobody wants that kind of sound. What I need to do is I need to send the signal to earth, and so for that we've got this little mini toggle switch with its 6 connectors. So as I understand it, so here's our connectors. We need to wire across these two and these two. The output from the middle lug of the volume goes to the first lug in the middle, and then the second middle lug goes to the tip. This first lug on the bottom will go to the sleeve of the output jack, which is obviously then earthed. So the way I understand it is, in the up position you're getting the signal from the volume, which makes a circuit to the tip. When you switch it down, you're still getting the circuit to the tip, but you're also sending it to the earth, which should kill the sound. So I've put all the components into this little board to help me wire it. Not the best bit of soldering I've ever done, but it seems to be connected. So I've done several coats with the penetrating finishing oil. It's time to move on to the high build finishing oil. So I think that's enough oil. We've got it to a fairly glossy finish. I'm quite pleased with that. Let's take this masking tape off. So after cleaning the fretboard, let's use some of the fretboard restorer. Get this wiped and polished. So with that all taken care of, I think we're ready to install the hardware. This is where we find out if I've got it all right. Where do we start? I think I'll start at the top and work my way down. So we'll start with the tuners. I have 3D printed the nut to save time, to increase accuracy. And this is a standard PLA filament reinforced with carbon fibre, so I'm hoping it's going to be up to the job. Oh, look at that, what a fit! It's almost like it was engineered that way. Okay, down into the body we go. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to wire the pickups in now. So, black is hot, the green and the silver braid go to earth, nice and straightforward. The shorter wire is the neck, the longer wire is the bridge. Right, I guess all that's left to do is string it up and see if it actually works. There we go, strung up, and it works. I've got a practice amp here that I can just plug into to test the electronics work. It's not going to be very good because I think something's blown in this amp and it's probably ready for the bin. So, but as a test, it'll be okay. Neck, middle, bridge, tone, volume, and the kill switch works. Let's have enough of that, thank you. I did notice that the kill switch is wired, or I've got the oriented so that it's on when it's down and it kills when it's pushed up, which is not the way I intended it. But thinking about it, if the on position was up, I could accidentally catch it and knock it off. So maybe that way actually works better. But it's done. Can you believe it? So, there we go. 14 episodes, 7 months work, off and on, and I have my entry for the Great Guitar Build-Off. Overall, I'm really happy with the way it's turned out. Obviously, mistakes were made along the way, but yeah, overall, it's good. I'm going to need to do a proper setup, sort the pickup heights out, and once I've done that, I'll post a quick update with a proper sound demo so we can see how it really sounds. But other than that, all that I can say is thank you for everybody that's watched my videos. Thank you for those people that have commented. It's been very much appreciated, and I hope to see you again. Cheers. Bye bye.